effects. Let's give them a warm round of applause!
Right, remember what we talked about, right?
Yes, okay, so I'm the wingman.
Yes.
Yes, so I butter him up. I say, hey, nice beard.
Right. Compliment me.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yep, and I say,
about
hey.
my eyes.
Right, right, and then I say, look,
It's the Jews!
hey, get away, we saw him first!
Get away, Jews!
Yeah, out of here, Jews, with your leather vest thing.
We gotta band together,
Yeah,
or else
we
they
really-
will flirt with Jesus first.
Yeah, you're right, we gotta hurry. Hey, look at them, all over Jesus.
He's enjoying it too.
Come on, Jews! Back away! Hey, but you know what? I know how to scare some Jews. Hold on. Here, I got a quarter right here. Watch them all run. Oh, man, you're horny.
Yeah.
Don't worry. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine.
All right.
We're gonna go over there. I'm gonna say, Jesus, I'm sorry.
You're hungry for some Jesus combo.
Oh God, we're going to hell. Listen, I'm gonna say, listen, my friend Dave wears sandals too.
Okay, good.
Okay, all right. And then I point to the sky and I say, hey, look at that. Is that me or you?
It must have been me. You were having pants.
Did you just do that right now?
I did.
We're gonna have to repair it. Here, take everything out of your pockets.
All right. All I've got is condom.
Has it got the cross on it? Where did you get that?
Squeeze it. It makes a funny noise. I figured Jesus would like that. Now check out this dildo. See what kind of sound that makes. Guess what I do with that?
I can see what you do with that. You really need to clean that off, dude.
Here comes Jesus. Here comes Jesus.
Okay.
Just how we've had it.
Yep. Hi, how are you?
He's running away!
Where the fuck you going?
Come back! Here's us!
Hey, Jews, there he goes! Get him! He's got tons of cash!
It's just the two of us, I suppose.
Yeah, and this thing right here.
Now you're talking.